Rainbow colors. Can you tell me the colors of rainbow? Amala, yes? Okay, all the colors are correct, but there is an order. We call it as Vibgya. You know that, right? So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay. So many years ago, Earth and Sun were very close to each other. Sorry, Earth and Sky were very close to each other. Where do we all live? We live on Earth. Can we go to the sky? We cannot touch the sky, right? So those days, Earth and Sky were very close to each other. So Earth was a girl and Sky was a boy. Okay. So one day, the Sky told to Earth, okay, hereafter you come and live with me in my home. And this Earth told, how can I come and live with you in your place? I have to leave all my people. All the people on this earth cannot come and live with you there. So how is it possible? But the Sky told, no, you come here. It's really wonderful here. You can see a lot of clouds here and you will enjoy here. So one day they arranged for a grand party. Okay. So in that party they invited everybody. They invited the sun, moon, stars and all the people of the earth and everybody were invited. So the party's main thing was this earth is going to live with the sky. Where is the earth going to live? It is going to live with the sky. So this party was very grand and at 4 o'clock they arranged for a send-off. What do you mean send-off, children? They are going to send off the earth to the sky, saying bye to the earth. That is, the people of the earth are going to say bye to the earth. So but suddenly there was a big talk among all the human beings. If the earth goes and lives with the sky, what shall we do? How can we go and live there? It is not possible because earth is a colorful planet. All the colors are here. But if we go and live in the sky, what will be there? Nothing will be there. But the sky wanted actually the earth to come there because what color is the sky, children? White and blue kind of things. Only two colors are there. But in earth we have lot of colors. So this all the people they decided, so somehow we should stop this. And then they told, okay, so 4 o'clock before the cock makes the sound. What is the sound of the cock? What do you mean by cock? Hen, you know. You know hen? What is cock? Masculine gender, feminine gender. Hen is female. Cock is male. So early morning cock will crow. How does it make sound? Cock-a-doodle-doo. So there was a deal. This earth told, before the cock sounds, before the cock crows, cock-a-doodle-doo, I should come and meet you because I should come and stay with you. Or else I cannot come to your place at all. So what happened? So everybody were actually prepared. But this earth was very much prepared because this earth was having a big garland in its hand. This garland was made of 7 colors. Which are the 7 colors? Red, blue, all these 7 colors. It was ready. It was waiting for the sky to come so that this earth can go up. So all the people were assembled. Finally, what happened? This everybody they gave this food to this cock. Okay, some people they gave food to cock, and this cock slept well. So what time the earth is supposed to go to the sky? 4 o'clock. But this cock slept well and it became 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock means can the earth go there? It cannot go. So what happened? The earth told to the sky, I cannot come there because it is 5 o'clock. So hereafter, I cannot come and live with you. So what happened? The sky started to cry. The sky started to cry. What will happen if the sky cries? Rain will come. So this earth told, don't worry, don't cry. You wanted the colors to be with you. That's why you wanted me to be there. No? So okay, have this garland. So this earth, it threw the garland on the sky. What is garland? Garland means? What is garland? G-A-R-L-A-N-D. What is garland? So we actually during wedding times or function they will put garland on the neck, with lot of flowers. So like this 7 colored flowers garland, this earth threw on the sky. So that is why when the rain and the sky started to stop crying. The sky did not stop crying. So whenever the rain comes and the rain stops, what will happen? When it rains, immediately the rainbow will come. Have you seen? If the rainbow comes, after that the rain will not come. So that is why the earth threw the 7 colored garland on the sky. So the sky stopped crying. That is why when rainbow appears on the sky, what will happen? it will not rain. So this is the small story. This is not a true story. This story, when I was in my 5th standard, my teacher told me. Okay, okay children. So what is the importance of colors in your life? Just imagine everywhere it is black and white. How will it be? Will you like it to be black and white? You all like to see only colorful places and colorful dresses, colorful, right? But you know, dogs and cows, they cannot see colors. Do you know that? Yes. Now when I see or when you see, you can see all the colors. But for dogs and cows, the colors won't be visible. Everything will be in black and white. So how lucky we are, no? We can see a lot of colors. So this place, this earth is a very colorful place. That's because we have lots of trees, we have rivers, we have mountains. So all the colors are mixed on the earth. So it is our duty to protect these colors. How will you protect the earth colors? How will you protect the colors of the earth? We should not cut the trees, and then we should not pollute water, we should not pollute air, and then in the land also you should not litter, which means you should not spit or you should not do any bad things there. So colors are very important in our life because it gives a happiness. So happy Rainbow Day to you all children. Thank you.